Oh yeah, Oily F reporting live from Guatemala City. Oh yeah. So I just arrived, and what's the best way to start a day, especially when you have a bad hair day? Like mine? Well, I could use a few cornrows. Yeah, how about that?
Meet Victoria and the lovely Ulysses. Ah yes, nothing makes me happier than seeing babies cry. Oh yeah! Welcome to my channel. Let's get oily. Hell yeah, big F over here. For those who don't know me, I'm one slimy son of a bitch, a real grease ball. So yeah, they call me Oily F or Killer F, however you want to call me. Get my name right. So I've been traveling all around Central America. I started my journey in Panama City and slowly made my way to the top with Belize as a final destination. I was just in El Salvador. I crossed the border into Guatemala this morning, and I'm hella pumped to discover this legendary country starting in Guatemala City. Guatemala, make some noise, goddammit. Oh yeah. Anyways, first things first. Right now, my priority is getting my hair fixed because I'm starting to look like a real big ball of fur. Not a good look. We gotta fix this. So, last time I got my braids done was in San Jose by Melissa. But that was like over 3 weeks ago. And as you guys saw in my last episodes, especially in Honduras, my hair is totally fucked. I even had to rock the do-rag in El Salvador because my hair was out of control. So today, enough with the bullshit. I'm getting cornrows. So yeah, hop on this ride. Let's ride dirty. Let's get oily. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, how about that? So today we're gonna get some cornrows. That's the first thing we're gonna do today, and then we're gonna explore the beautiful city of Guatemala.
Let's go.
The capital and the largest city of all the cities in Central America. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it hot today.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Like I said, I'm gonna get some cornrows today. I think I'm due. I had to wear a do-rag for a whole week in El Salvador. I got all kinds of looks. Yeah, so that's how I'm gonna get down. So I'm a bit fucked because the hairstylist I was supposed to meet is not there. She told me she would be there from 10 to 7 p.m. all day. So I went exactly at the location and she was nowhere to be found. Well, I find myself in a little bit of a pickle because you see, now that I took off my braids, it gets really hot over here. My hair is wild and loose, and hey, with the heat of the day, it's gonna be hard to walk around like this. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna wander around and look for some food and smile at people. Eventually get some beers too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so I just found this really exclusive restaurant that specializes in Katok. So anyways, I gotta try it all. So we're starting right now with the sopa. Oh yeah. Oh. So yeah, we got the soap over here and the Katok. This should be real good. Tamalito, sopa, arroz, ensalada, pollo y res mixto. Yeah. So let's try this meat mixture, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh, it's shredded beef. Bit of chicken flavor in there, all mixed up with a load of spices, tomato, hella onions, numerous spices. It's like it's a unique blend. I'm really stoked. Let's try this soup, shall we? Oh, chicken all the way. Breakfast of champs. I love a good soup in the morning. So good. Quite simple, but it hits the spot. Now, I'm gonna try those tamalitos. Very nice. But use some hot sauce though. So we're gonna get right on that. And the meat mixer, insane. Wow, so good. Amazing spot. Those hidden gems and those markets are the best places you could eat in any city in Central America. Oh yeah, so here's all the awards they won at Katok. Really official restaurant. Fruits. Wow. Papaya y mango, eh? Aquí era una de los dos. Papaya y mango.
¿Le echo sal y pepita?
Sí. Oh yeah, so he puts the salt and pepper and all the flavors.
¿Quiere limoncito?
Sí, por favor. Yeah, he puts the limoncito, and that's a really nice acid touch to it. Nice tart. Oh yeah, some nice fresh fruits. Some mango and papaya. Two fruits that don't grow in Canada and that I totally enjoy when I'm in the tropics. Oh yeah! Look at me with this big bowl of fruits. Yeah.
Well, I was able to locate some lovely ladies for my braids, and we got real oily. Wow, we had a blast. Check this out. Meet Victoria and the lovely Ulysses.
Oh yeah! Soy con Victoria y ella hace mis trenzas. Woohoo! Yeah! Salud.
Salud, salud.
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Julesi?
Julesi?
Yes.
Eric.
Oh, Eric.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Salud.
Salud. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Salud.
¿De pendejo de plata?
¿Suelto o te lo agarro?
¿Una polita?
Oh yeah.
Salud. Yeah.
Wow, we drank so many beers. Yeah, I just kept giving money to Ulysses. I was like, hey, go and get some beer for the whole team. So I was just like handing out beers to everybody I'd see. That's how we do.
Woohoo!
It felt so good. It was orgasm.
Wow, wow, wow. Muchas gracias, Victoria. Salud, salud, Victoria.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, so as you guys saw, I just got my hair did. Oh, and boy, am I looking fly. Oh, it felt good. You know, I was trying to get some cornrows quite some time ago. I just couldn't find a spot. It was hard, you know? But these fine ladies are from Livingston. So they are Garifuna. They sure practice the cornrow art form. So I was very lucky to have met them. Anyways, now I'm here with my beer, walking in the beautiful streets of Guatemala City. I'm ready to rock tonight. Oily F, baby. Guatemala City. What a beautiful place. Really nice place. Oh yeah. Yeah, so those cornrows are the most hardcore ones I've ever got. I don't know if you can see, but they're crazy tight. And different than the other ones I've got in the past. There's quite a few rows. They were done extremely tight. I usually always tell the girls to pull as hard as possible so they last longer. It's important. And I kind of enjoy to get my hair pulled, to say the truth. But this time it was really crazy. Not that I mind or anything, but it was intense. So if you don't like to get your hair pulled, well, this might not be for you. Oh, it felt good, and now I don't need to scratch my head anymore. I don't need to play in my hair. Just love having those cornrows all tight. You go from having so much hair to have no hair at all. Yeah, so Victoria from Livingston did a really good job. And wow, that's bless. Cheers, Victoria. I stayed and chilled with the ladies for a little while. You can't just get your hair done and right away bounce like, okay, here's your money, I'm out. No, you stick around. Talk. Or be there, listen to them talk, because I don't always understand everything they say. They talk so fast in Spanish. I mean, my Spanish is not bad, I understand Spanish, but when they talk really fast, I can't always figure it out. Anyways, just chilling in Guatemala City. Big city of dreams. Biggest city of Central America. A true hidden gem. Another neglected city. Not as neglected as Managua or Tegucigalpa, but still one of the most neglected cities. Most people, they land here, they right away grab the shuttle to Antigua. They don't even spend a night in Guatemala City. Well, for the shook ones, you should be fine. There's for sure cops everywhere. Everywhere you walk, each block, I'm almost scared to take a leak in public. Yeah.
Oh yeah! Well, that was that. That was my first day in Guatemala City, and boy did I have fun. As you saw, I got my hair did, and boy was I looking fly after that. Definitely satisfied. My dome was caressed by the fingers of Victoria. She sure had the magic touch and the perfect clutch. The tip of her fingers had so much precision, I bet she could have done it with her eyes closed. Ulysses kept me company, and her presence was captivating and heavenly felt. She even suggested me to go back home with her. Imagine that. That would have been incredible. Anyways, I could have sat and chilled with those ladies all day long. So that's it for this episode. Next episode, we're gonna explore Guatemala City in depth. This was just a warm-up. I was just getting started. We're really gonna go deep in Guatemala City. So stay tuned for the next episode. Oh yeah, because we're gonna explore the real markets. We're gonna go eat some food. We're gonna try all the stalls, and we're gonna get real oily. Oh yeah, let's get oily with F. Hell yeah. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get oily. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, and be sure to share. Subscribe now. You guys have no idea. There's a lot on the way. Only fire content. Straight from the pits of hell. We make it hot. We make it clap. Oh yeah. Peace out. And thanks for watching.
Oily F, baby. Yeah. Shout outs to all my oily fans. Oily fans, not only fans. Oily fans, baby.
Yeah.